Okay, we're looking at hypothesis testing with two samples. So we're testing the claim that the mean GPA of night students is smaller than the mean GPA of day students at alpha equal 0.05. Do not pull the variances. So evidently this is at some kind of university, college. So it says do not pull variances. They'll tell you in the problem whether to pull your variances or not to pull the variances. The reasons for pulling variances or not are different. I'm beyond the scope of this book, so you just go by what it tells you to do. So alpha equals to 0.05. Is that what the significance was? Yeah. So H sub 0 is mu sub nights. Do they do N first? So they're doing that. Mu of night students is going to be equal to mu of day students. And this is talking about the GPA. So mu GPA of night students is equal to the mu mean GPA of day students. The alternative is that they think night students has a lower GPA than day students. Is less than mu sub D. Okay. So looks like this one. Less than, it's going to be left-held. Okay, we're given that N is equal to 65. N sub night students. And we're given that the sample mean, so X bar of night students is 3.2. And a standard deviation, so standard deviation of night students is 0.07. Now we're given N of day students, so day students is equal to 65. And a sample mean, so X bar of day is going to be 3.24. And standard deviation of day is equal to 0.08. Test statistic and p-value. So let's go here to StatDisk. Let's see if I can slide that up without breaking everything out. Okay, getting analysis up here. Mean two independent samples. So the alternative, again using summary statistics, is going to be, the default is not equal, so do less than. Alpha is 0.05. Sample size of the first one. Sample mean is 3.2. Okay. 0.07. I think we're not pulling the variances is because I think one of the reasons is if your sample sizes are the same size for each independent sample, then you usually don't pull them. I think that you do pull them, the variances, if you have different sample sizes. But again, it will always tell you in the problem whether to pull it or not. So this was 65. 3.24, 0.08, and unequal variances, no pull. Yeah, and I guess if you assume equal variances too, so do not pull. That's what by default, that's what StatDisk is doing for you. Evaluate. So our test statistic, T negative 3.03373. Our p-value is equal to 0.00147. And I already tell you I'm going to reject the null in favor of the alternative because p is less than alpha. Let's go ahead and put in our answers. Okay. Negative 3.03 to 2 places. Okay, 0.00. I only want 2. Reject the null. That one was kind of easy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.